Hey, good afternoon, good morning. I don't know what time it'll be when you're watching this. Thank you so much for joining me. So what we're going to talk about is training. And one of the things that is critical in the practice of law, in my opinion, absolutely mandatory, is training. You need to train every day, and you need to train to be exceptional. You need to train with your clients. You need to train with your team, because that is going to make them exceptional. And I'm not talking about just going to, as we call it in the practice, the woodshed, right? Where you take them out back and you just chat a client up for 20 or 30 minutes and get them ready for an interrogation by opposing counsel or an interrogation by law enforcement. I am talking about training, right? Get in the gym. Why do you go to the gym, right? Because repetition builds excellence, right? Because repeated effort, persistent effort over time, commitment to excellence builds a ability to perform in a level of stress, in a level where you're being questioned with, when you're facing down opposing counsel, somebody who's a professional interrogator, right? That's all they've done for 10, 20, or 30 years is interrogate witnesses. Or a police officer, or a police investigator, or an FBI investigator. You have never been in that role before, more likely than not. Your average client has never been in that role before. And you need to train, right? Not because you're shaping or framing the testimony, but getting them accustomed to the questioning, to being questioned, getting them used, do the repetitions, right? It's the reason why marathon runners start small, right? You start 1 mile, then 3, then 5, then what have you, right? You build your way up so you have the physical and mental endurance to commit to excellence to get the job done. And training may seem at times to be just another requirement in an already busy situation, right? But training will help you outperform past growth, because let's talk about what is scary about an interrogation, a deposition, a meeting with an expert witness who's going to talk to you about the criminal allegations against you or the civil allegations against you.